Hey, my name is Brian Baird with Kerigan Marketing Associates. I've been a web developer for going on 12 years. So I've been building websites and optimizing websites for many of those. And one of the things that we've recently had to deal with are core web vitals. And you might have seen this on the internet. So simply put, core web vitals are the metrics that matter most when measuring a customer's journey on your website or their experience. And the things that you might see when you grade a site for core web vitals are things like first contentful paint, speed index, largest contentful paint, time to interactive, blocking time, and layout shift. So you might be wondering why core web vitals should matter to you. And the big reason is Google search. If it hasn't already, it will be very shortly becoming an official ranking factor. So the better your core web vitals, the better your ranking. Now, this is also not a one fix all for your website. If you have a really bad website, optimizing for core web vitals isn't going to make you the top of Google. It also requires content and proper strategy and design for your website as well. That said, great design doesn't mean you're going to have great core web vitals. A lot of times, a lot of really nice design goes into a website, but if it's not optimized, it may not get seen. And what good is a website if it's not seen? Also, web vitals may also help you rank ahead of competitors. Let's say you have similar content to a competitor. You're writing about the same things because you're both local and these things both matter to you. If you optimize for core web vitals, that could be the thing that gets you over the top of their site. And then also, obviously, if you have a great user experience, that's going to help you get conversions. It's going to help you close the sale. And we know closing the sale is what it's all about. Now, testing for core web vitals is actually really easy. You can go to web.dev, or if you have Google Chrome, you can use Google Lighthouse in your Chrome browser to test for all of those things. Now, if the things that you see on those tests are completely over your head, you can't do anything about it, you can talk to your website host, or you can talk to us. We'd be happy to help you understand what these things mean and possibly provide a solution for getting you optimized for core web vitals.